Endnotes are used to organize citations or additional information at the end of your document. To find the endnotes, if you navigate to the top toolbar, click on References, and here in this section you can see it says Insert Endnote. Place your cursor in the text where you want to insert the endnote, navigate up to References, and then click on Insert Endnote. Where your cursor was is where the endnote reference number or symbol will appear. It'll automatically then take your cursor to the end of the document. Unlike footnotes, endnotes appear at the end of your document, and this is where you can list any sources, information, etc. If you're unable to find an endnote, if you right-click and then press Go to Endnote, this will take you to the endnote reference within the text. To change the style of your endnotes, right-click on your endnote and then press Style. Select your endnote text style and then press Modify. This will bring up the different options for you to stylize your text. You can change the font, the size, the position, etc. Once finished, press OK, and then press Apply, and this will change the style of all the endnotes for you. For further options on the layout of your endnotes, navigate to the References tab and click on the small black arrow. This will bring up your footnote and endnote options. Make sure you have endnotes selected. You can change where you want the endnotes to appear, so at the end of a section, at the end of a document, whether or not you have columns, the actual format of the number, you can change it to Roman numerals, add a symbol, you can change the numbering if you want it continuous or to start new from each section, and then press Apply once you've selected your options. Make sure when you've finished adding in your endnotes that you check through them for accuracy and consistency.